All right. Welcome back to Howie's Reviews. We just got our FedEx delivery of the brand new Google Pixel 6 as well as the Pixel Buds A series. Take those little tabs off there. And that is what we have. So we remove the Pixel 6 for just a moment. And you can see there's very little that we get in the box anymore. You got the USB Type-C to Type-C, and you've got the little transfer tool. Got a little bit of paperwork here and a SIM ejection tool on the back. All right, and after just a few seconds of it powering up, this is the first screen you're greeted with. Here it's going to ask me to insert my SIM card for my carrier, or we can set up eSIM if you so choose. I'm just going to go ahead and skip for the moment. It's going to search for some Wi-Fi. Once you select your wireless network, input your password for that. And now that it's connected to Wi-Fi, it's going to go ahead and download any updates that may be pending and get the phone set up in the background. All right, guys, we are back. Everything has been transferred over from the 5A here on the left over to the Pixel 6 that's on the right. Got them next to each other so you guys can kind of get an idea of the size difference and shape difference. So if we line up the bottom of the screen here, you can see just a slight difference in how tall the 6 is compared to the 5A. 5A has a 6.34-inch display, while the Pixel 6 does have a 6.4, so just very slight. You've got the camera notch on the left, whereas on the 6 it is right in the center. And just for thickness comparison, the Pixel 5A on the left, your 6 on the right. For those that may be coming from a Samsung, here is your S21. Lining up from the bottom, you can see the difference in the displays here. And here's kind of a thickness, if that helps anyone. The button layouts are slightly different on the Samsung. The left side here, you have the power on the bottom, whereas the Pixel has it on the top. One of the things that people have had issues with all over Reddit is the fingerprint sensor. So we're going to test that out. Does not seem to unlock just by putting it there when the screen is off. But tapping it works, and hitting the power button to wake it does seem to work. But definitely does not do it when the screen is off. Not have a screen protector on the 6, but we have one to install. This one here, not sponsored. This is from Tauri. It is a glass protector, not one of the plastic films. It's got a lot of little accessories to go with it. So you got a nice little guide case, put around the phone, help you make sure that you get the glass lined up. You have 3 glass screen protectors. You have 3 little protectors to go around the camera. They've even sent in some fun little stickers. And then some other little doodads to help you make sure that it applies good and is dust free. All right, and we're back. We do have the glass protector installed now, and came out very good. Just a couple of little smudges still to wipe down, but looks great. So first accessory that we got here, the Spigen. This is the liquid air. Nice flexible case. We slide the 6 in, and there it is. It's got a slight lip right here to protect the screen, and does completely encapsulate the lens on the back. So very good protection. I do thank each and every one of you for stopping by and watching this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave some comments for things you'd like to see from me. Thanks again.